Okay guys, evolution of charging cables. Like cables you plugged into stuff. So this was the first one, and it's pretty big, and as you can see, it's like, the end of it is like that big, so compared to my hand. And this is a full view of it here. So that's it for this one. We plugged it into like old monitors and TVs and stuff. Now the next one we've got is this one here. As you can see, it's got one that might fit into one of your plugs on the start, but here it still looks quite old. And then it's like that at the end. If you want to see the end of this one, it's not very interesting. So that's it for that one. Next up, we've got this one with both of the same sides. Both are the same, like that. And that's what the inside looks like. And same on this end. And then we've got the recent one, well, quite recent ones. It's the same charger as this Android Nougat phone. That's what the end of it looks like. Let me know if you have one of these ones in the comments, or any of these charging cables at all. And then these are what they look like now. And yeah, pretty much it for today's video.